It's looking pretty good. That's ready to bake. Bake your cake for about 45 minutes to 1 hour until it's solid in the middle. This frosting has two options. You can either make it with a goat cheese mousse or a vegan coconut cream frosting. You're going to combine your goat cheese or coconut cream with your sweetener and vanilla and salt. Now, if you're doing goat cheese and you're making a goat cheese mousse, this isn't really spreadable. It's not a mousse yet. So I'm going to whisk in my colza oil, which is rich in omega-3s, to get a nice unctuous texture and a spreadable topping for my mousse. Let your cake cool off until it's absolutely cold to touch. Because we used agar-agar, it needs to solidify to be cold, kind of like a jello. Then flip it over onto your serving platter. Whisk up your mousse once more. And now you're gonna do the fun part. And it's these little finishing touches of the seeds and the fruit and maybe some fresh or dried rosemary that make this cake completely Berlin and the thing that I wanted to eat. Time to try the Berlin cake. For something so healthy, this is ridiculously good.